Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to download the InShot app but can't access the Play Store, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install InShot on your phone without using the Play Store or App Store. So let's get started. First of all, find the Google app on your home screen and open it. Now type the name of the app, which is InShot, right here, and then search for it. Now here you can find the InShot web browser app. In the second one, now tap on it. Here you can find the option of download InShot app. Simply select it, and after a few seconds the app will be downloaded on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can easily download and install InShot without the Play Store or App Store. Now you can start editing your videos just like a pro, even without access to Google's App Store or Play Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.